Hello again, everyone. Today I will be talking about the progress and requirements in order to being a civil engineer. Coursework. To begin with, the curriculum varies from college to college, but typically it includes taking Calculus 1, Calculus 2, Calculus 3, differential equations, data analysis, structural design, structural analysis, and other classes needed to get a degree in civil engineering. Keep in mind, though, that taking classes like chemistry and physics will prepare you the mechanical, environmental, and social dimension of a civil engineer project. These classes in general will create a variety of tools for civil engineering, including project management, computer-aided design, and word processing. Areas of study/work. In connection with civil engineering, some work that is in relation is structural engineer, geotechnical engineer, environmental engineer, and transportation engineer. These all implement the fundamentals of analysis and process in order to fulfill customer satisfaction. Further on with this detail, a brief explanation about the areas are that structural engineering write reports and evaluations, perform calculations, and also observe construction sites. Geotechnical engineer is a person who studies the behavior of soils under the influence of loading forces and soil-water interactions, as well as the behavior of earth materials. Environmental engineer, on the other hand, uses the principles of biology and chemistry to solve environmental problems such as improving waste disposal and public health. Lastly, transportation engineers apply technological principles to design, operate, and transport infrastructure. Job nature. Job nature, to define in simple terms, is the type of work someone does. Adding on to that, civil engineers build, supervise, and maintain infrastructure systems in the public and private sector, including roads, bridges, tunnels, dams, buildings, and systems. Median salary. Now, as far as salary goes, obviously everywhere is different compared to what state you live in. But in California, roughly it ranges from $62,000 for starting. Mid-career pays $106,000, and an estimated 10 years of experience gets you $181,000. Now, if you would like to become a civil engineer, a bachelor's degree would be the best ideal start for a stable career. Certifications relevant to civil engineer is engineering and training, project management, professional and certified construction manager. Interest in civil engineering. While using all the insight and information I learned, things I find interesting about the field is how you experience the background and process of how to innovate and create, say for example, a bridge. It would also be amazing to know that your creation is what is used on an everyday basis. This type of engineering is very prestigious and, in my opinion, a great career for someone who is a builder and interested in infrastructures. To conclude with, civil engineering is going to grow in demand in the future, and it has very high opportunities for an individual, which shows that this career is well respected among people. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope this information helped you understand civil engineering and made your decision of major more easier.